Okay, here is one thing, guys. So do you really think that accessing these private fields or methods is really not possible outside of this particular person's class? If so, you must watch this video because I'll explain you how you can access any private fields, methods, constructors. Even if a class is private, you can easily access them. So there is this reflection API available in Java. Okay, with the help of that, you can easily manipulate or modify the fields, class, methods, classes, anything that is available at the runtime. Okay, so how you do it? So you just need to create the object of this field, and this person is something what we are trying to access the private fields from this person's class. So we have to take this person dot class dot get declared field, and this name is the field that is there, right? Which was private in the persons. When we go, here is the name. Okay, this is the private field, that is something what I want to access right over here. So that is something what we have created object with the help of this field, and we are setting this accessible, this particular field we are accessing it with the help of this particular fact. So this, what this particular does, it basically disable the Java access checks at runtime. Okay, now once it is done, you can easily get from the, with the help of this field dot get, and we have to pass the object of the person. Okay, in that one, now the value is something what you can easily access it, and you can print it as well. Now if you want to manipulate this value, whatever the name field that was there initially, it was having Krishna as a value. Now you can set the value as well. Now coding X is something what you can easily set it using this field dot set. So it will set the value as well. Now when you try to again access it, it will update it, it will provide the updated value. Same goes with the method. So there is this method greet. Okay, that is something what we have to provide inside this particular one. So greet is something what we have provided, and we again use this flag to access it so that it will disable the access check at runtime. Once it is done, you can invoke this using this method dot invoke. So it will again print whatever the command data that were available inside this, it will get executed. So when we try to run this particular code, you should see all the objects, all the values that it should print. Okay, so you notice here, so we are accessing the private value, we updated the value, so updated value is also printing right over here. Again, this greet method also we invoked, so it is also working perfectly fine. But there is a problem when you try to modify this. Let us suppose if here, if it is name one, okay, here also it got modified with name one, and here you tried putting this previous name what was there. Okay, when you try to run this here, it will throw exception at this point in time. Okay, so you can play around with this particular reflection API. It is widely used across the Spring frameworks. Okay, unit test and all, in those areas this particular framework can be used. Okay, that's all from this video. Thank you for watching this one. Bye.